I want to lay out in plain English how I've built a solid six-figure income that requires almost no work, allows me to work from anywhere, and still makes over $10,000 a month in profit. The goal from the start was always this, they call it the rule of one. So you have one audience, or like what you would call one customer, one like market, one type of person is probably a better way of putting it. You solve one problem for them. You have one offer and you have one sales method. That's like the entire business model. That's my entire business model now. I could literally, as I'm doing in this video, map out my entire business on a napkin. The second point is that someone or something else must deliver the work. So every business has what I call 3 time drains, or like resource drains. You have delivery, you have admin, and you have what I call sales and marketing. Now, admin is like running the business. It's invoices, it's payments, it's taxes, it's salaries, etc. It's basically the stuff that needs to get done. This can and should be outsourced as soon as possible. You can find people to do this for as little as like 2 or 3 hours a week. Where most people go wrong when they want to run what I would call a lifestyle business, in my humble opinion, is that they want a lifestyle business, but they focus way too much on delivery. If you think about kind of what a lifestyle business is, if you take your calendar, what most people do is they will spend all their time working to do the work and deliver, you know, whatever it is to the customer. And this cripples their free time. It basically destroys their autonomy. In truth, the most passive, hands-off businesses I've ever run are always where I focus on sales and marketing and someone or something else does the delivery. So I spend most of my time down here. I bring in the sales. Someone else, I'll then pay someone or something else to fulfill delivery, and I'll pay someone or something else to fulfill the admin. If I had a gun to my head, I would rather promote a bakery than be a baker, even if I like baking, even if I'm good at it, because I can be so much more efficient and profitable at marketing than I can at delivery. Sales and marketing, in my opinion, is a faster and easier business to scale. You also have to remember that this won't work for about 5 years. Now, I spent 7 years basically trying to build what I've got now, and it would have gone a lot faster had I not constantly chased sort of hacks that I thought would get me there quicker. A really bad habit that I have, that I hope I've recognized, is I would try and find things that would actually make me grow faster. When realistically, if I'd have just stuck with the process that I had in mind, I probably would have achieved it a couple of years earlier. It goes back to that same method that I talked about here, picking one person with one problem and making one offer with one sales tool. This is like the entire business. Just for an overview, my market is marketers. Specifically, I have a very specific niche or industry that I go after. I want to work with mature, experienced marketing agency owners who have got a relatively successful business, but they're finding they're at capacity. They want to make more money, but they want to work less, but they physically can't take on more clients. So what they want to do is try and find recurring revenue clients, move away from consulting and retainers, and start creating a sustainable, predictable income that doesn't rely on them chasing one-off leads, right? So I have a very specific niche. Like, it's not just marketers in general. Like, I have a really like pinpoint focus on who I work with. As I mentioned, their overall problem is basically scale, but that's not how we talk about it. That's just the internal word we use. The actual problem they face is they don't qualify their clients enough. I mean, if you're watching this, you're probably one of these people, right? You basically want to earn more and work less, and that's absolutely fine. It's just there's a few systems and methods in your business that prevent that from happening. The overall offer we use at the moment is I am an affiliate for High Level. And so I set up a system that will help you, first of all, land your first 5 clients, and then secondly, hit 20K a month in monthly recurring revenue combined with the stuff in High Level. And the sales method, really simple. You're watching the first part of it here, YouTube. I'll then typically take you through to a lead magnet page where I ask for your email, and then over time, either via video sales letter or some other kind of email, and occasionally other things like phone calls, we basically sell high level as an affiliate. 99.9% of the time, email marketing is where we tend to focus most of our efforts. And my goal is to do this over and over and over. And what's interesting is this starts to stack up. So now when I start to spend most of my time creating YouTube content, we also spend an enormous amount of time, because we're so focused, writing and figuring out, well, what emails actually convert. And so we're driving a ton of traffic here. And then what we will also do is spend a lot of time on email to try and figure out, well, what emails convert people? What are the best ways to get people to sign up? If we were to look at how you would do this for your business, $500 a month might not sound like a lot of money, but $500 a month profit is essentially a cheat code to running the business. If you were to get 3 of these, and this is essentially like the business, right? This is how you run like a cozy business that you can run from home that does over $10,000, $20,000 a month in profit. If you were to get 3 clients paying you $500 a month and you made profit on them, you could hire basically a part-time support expert, someone who can basically be on the end of emails and messages and possibly even phone calls to answer questions for people paying for this product. I'm not going to get into the details of how we do this with high level. I've got so many videos out there, and if you're interested, I'll put a link below to where you can like sign up and figure this out. But this is how we do this. You spend your time doing the sales and marketing to try and find these 3 people. If you then get 5 people or another 5 people at $500 a month, 5,000. Could be 5,000 if you want. You could then get an account rep. This is someone who you can then figure out, like, how do we keep these clients on board? How can we help them out? How can we continue working with them? Get 10 more. And you're now looking at a seriously profitable business with very low business demand. I know people who run this literal business. I've got videos about them on my channel. Maybe I'll link them below. This is how they build monthly recurring profit, not just revenue, but profit. And it means they no longer have to chase leads. They no longer have to chase clients. They no longer have to work on one-off projects or hope that they find someone to be able to pay their bills for the month. This is how they do that. The key to this, if I can leave you with kind of parting words of the most profitable thing that I have ever done in my business that I wish more people did, but for whatever reason they don't, is you have likely a CRM. If you don't, I would recommend High Level. I'm an affiliate. Anytime you click on a link of theirs, I might get paid. There's the disclaimer. Imagine having, we all talk about like traffic, and typically we do SEO, content or social, and ads to get traffic. There is a magic 4th one that no one ever talks about. I suppose there's community, which I would argue is social media, but some people separate that out. This one here is 5 to 10 times more profitable, and no one focuses on it. Yes, it's one thing for me to do tons of videos to drive people back to some kind of sales offer, but there's something that we do anyway, and if you started it today, in a year's time, you could literally have something where there are $10,000, $20,000 a month worth of business sat in there that you're not doing anything with, and that is building an email list. Now, if you want to know how to build an email list, I'm going to link a video up here that's going to take you through my entire process on how I generate tens, even 20,000 leads a year, qualified, who are interested, who give me their name and phone number and email address, and they tell me, hey Mike, this is my biggest problem and this is something I want to buy from you. So if you want to learn how to build an email list that is the most profitable business asset you can have, go ahead and watch this video up here.